The new Audi A5 Coupé. Its aeroacoustic values make it best in class. Yes, we do place a great deal of importance on aeroacoustics at Audi. We want people to relax when they drive. And wind noise is crucial, of course. The lower the wind noise, the more relaxed it all feels. No noticeable wind noise. That's the goal. The aeroacoustics team work on the A5 Coupé throughout its life cycle. Developer Heinzelmann gets the first design data as early as the concept phase. Then work in the wind tunnel begins on the one-to-one model. Traditionally, you start off by sitting in the car to get a first acoustic impression. Wind 100 please, wind 100 coming up. We also have mics we can use to specifically check on corners or abnormalities. That's how it all starts. To measure external noise, a so-called array is used, a spiral arrangement of microphones. We usually have 40, 60 or 80 microphones. From the time difference the sound takes to arrive at each microphone, I can reconstruct an image of exactly where it originated. One of the special challenges on the A5 Coupé, the frameless door. The array is showing us a significant acoustic source here at the B pillar, the red hotspot here. And when I tape over this section and run the same measurement again, with the same settings, the source disappears completely. The solution for series production, an additional joint seal. The resulting noise reduction, roughly 2 decibels. That's very important, of course, because this B-pillar area in particular is very close to the driver's or passenger's ear, and by doing this we reduce the noise significantly, making things far more pleasant for the driver. But aeroacoustics are not only measured externally. Testing the internal acoustics requires real experts. Sarah and Mike are responsible for the measurements, our 2 dummy heads. What's special about the dummy heads is that they have microphones installed in their ears. That enables me to acoustically capture the sound field in the car. I feel like I'm really sitting in the vehicle myself. The measuring results can then be compared using a 3-column chart. As well as the target curve that has to be achieved, the current and previous measurements are always displayed as well. The result is really satisfying. Aeroacoustically, the new A5 Coupé is best in class. With best in class, we're naturally comparing ourselves with our competitors in the luxury class. We always want to be better than the competition, of course. And we've also managed that with the A5. The new Audi A5 Coupé. A real delight to hear, outside and inside.